F prime D2 F2 L2 B2 F2 U R2 D F2 L D prime B2 U prime F D2 B R. Then I'll just have to first insert this. I missed it. For the record, I will do that scrabbling again. I will do it again. Just let me see if I will get that same solve again. F prime D2 F2 L2 B2 F2 U R2 D F2 L D prime B2 U prime F D2 B R. So this is the Scrabble. Okay. Oh, luckily I got free. What's this? Oh, I think it's I don't know. Ah, shit. For the record again, I'll try that Scrabble one more time. After this, I'm done. F prime D2 F2 L2 B2 F2 U R2 D prime F2 L D prime B2 U prime F D2 B R. And just enter this one first. I need to enter this one. Okay, same solve, just like before. This, oh, I missed it. This is better, but I keep messing up this algorithm. Oh, it is this for that, and this for this. Okay. This